Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy A25 Snapchat lag issue. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings scroll down and click on apps. Now in apps scroll down and here open Snapchat. Now in Snapchat scroll down and go to its storage. And after that clear the app data and cache memory of Snapchat app. And after that go back and in settings click on battery and device care. Now here click on memory and then click on clean now to free up some memory for Snapchat. And now go back to your home screen.